because we have come to the beach. So basically the next day we went to this beautiful place and it had such amazing like artwork and like very pretty places, and then I had the best coffee ever. I don't know what it is called exactly, but it was so yum. Like my only regret with this one is not having more of it. Okay, so I found a birthday mug section in this market and look what I found. Then we had some custard filled buns in the flavor of matcha and chocolate, and they were so good. Good morning everyone and welcome back. So today is our last 4 days in Thailand altogether, and we're going for Bangkok today. So yeah, I'm actually the most excited for this city, so I hope it's fun. Okay, so now we're gonna just randomly walk around the streets of Bangkok. And I just realized I can't be like a full-time travel vlogger for the life of me. I don't have it in me, I feel. Because how do you make like vlogs interesting? I feel like my vlog is gonna be the most boring vlog ever. But that's okay.
In 800 meters, turn right.
Okay, and now we're going to Chinatown. So yeah. Okay, and then I had this really refreshing and cool like mango watermelon ice cream. So honestly, this is the order which I copied from the old lady ahead of me, and it was a 10 on 10. And it's actually surprising how some of these combinations can turn out to be so good.
Please to take the exit.
First of all, I quickly like changed up and then I shot a reel because tomorrow is Wednesday. And if you don't know, I post a new reel on Instagram every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. So because of that, I didn't have a reel for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday, so I was like, fine, I must shoot a reel. So I shot a reel quickly, and yeah, now I'm just gonna like probably watch a movie with my brother, because that's like a ritual which I've made now. We just like watch the most random Bollywood movies, and yeah, it's fun. It's super fun. And now we have just 2 days, tomorrow and day after, and then after that we're leaving for home. So that's the plan. And then we went to this like really pretty place, but it was a bit disappointing because there were barely just like 4 to 5 walls which were actually painted well for like pictures, and other than that it was not that good. So like if you're low on time, don't bother. Also, there was a cute little spot which had like an exercising machine in the middle, which is so cute. And then this was the beautiful view. Honestly, I love water, just not swimming in it. Also, I'm really liking these new glasses of mine. Fun fact, I bought them like a year ago and never wore them because I have the exact same type, just a little thinner. So yeah. Okay, so it was like a nice decent place for like quickly clicking like 5 or 6 Instagram pictures, but it wasn't like one of those places where you have to go no matter what. So it's like fine. Also, I must say, I fell down, but not while recording. So it's not like, oh, I was recording and then I fell down and it was funny like that. No, I kept my phone in my pocket and then I fell down. So yeah. Thing about vlogging your trips is that you don't even know like where do you stop vlogging, because almost every day gets similar in terms of food, but then also it's different. And like yeah, but yeah, this mango smoothie is 10 on 10. Okay, so this is a dustbin. Look at that, that is so cool. I'm gonna be honest, out of like all the places I've been to in Thailand, this dentist clinic is one of the most peaceful and calming places. I don't know how that works. I know it's a little weird to think about, but trust me, like, oh hi. I'm currently in the washroom and I don't know, it's about the temperature, the vibe, the calmness. This place feels good. And after dressing nicely for a few days, I'm back to like dressing like a 12-year-old boy. Okay, so basically the reason we're here is because Data wanted to get his like teeth checked up because it was paining suddenly. If nothing else, I'm definitely getting that like sensor wala dustbin one day in my life. Also, the lighting is so good here. Okay, so we ate lunch and now we're gonna go and watch this place called BACC, which is apparently like an art and cultural center. This was actually the second place that I selected that we went to in the entire trip. Apart from the first place, which was the 3-4 walls ka painting wala area. So I was really proud of this one. Everyone loved it a lot and it was really pretty, like the paintings and everything, and the aesthetics was so beautiful. So I definitely recommend someone who's creative or an artist or just loves art or like paints or draws should definitely pay a visit. Okay, so this place happens to be gorgeous and it reminded me of the days when I wanted to become an artist as a child. And then I don't have any like sad story कि मैं क्यों नहीं बन पाई. I just didn't choose to because I sort of like stopped enjoying creating art that much. But like coming back here, I sort of want to go and like make a painting again. Also, we got like 2 postcards. I'll show them to you. This one and this one. So yeah.